Hey everyone, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install WinRAR and how you can open that file which is not opening and it is showing like this. I have installed this thing from internet and it is showing me like this, and if I try to open this thing with it is showing that how would you want to open this file, and there is no need to worry about this thing. I will just show you how you can extract this and you can get that software. So let's get started with this thing. First you have to check your operating system configuration. Mine operating system type is 64-bit of operating system. If your operating system is 32-bit, you can download the 32-bit version. If your operating system type is 64-bit, you can easily download the 64-bit. So mine is 64-bit, and I'm going to right click on this thing. There are so many different languages. Before I get started with further things, I want to show we have lot of different languages here. In this language you can also install your software. We have Dutch, we have Chinese, we have Arabic. You can install that software in these languages. I highly recommend you to install this WinRAR in English, which is more specifically used. So right click on this thing, it will start installing. I will provide you the link in my description to this website. After downloading that, you will get this file. Right click on this thing, run as administrator. After that, say yes, agree to their terms and conditions, install. I'm going to toggle all. So I don't want this to be in my Windows. It will automatically take in everything. You just have to keep this by default, just toggle everything, and here click on OK. Then this is done. Okay, after that you can see this, it will automatically appear like this. This is successfully installed like this, and as I said, this file is now showing up like this. Before that it was showing just like a blank page, but now it is showing like this. I will show you how you can extract this file, how you can get software from this RAR file. Just you have to create a new folder here, name it as anything. I'm going to name it as JDK. Okay, after that what you have to do is right click on this thing, go to extract files, click here, and then this will pop up. Here you have to select, you have created a folder in downloads. You have to go to downloads. Where you have created the folder, there you have to go to extract. I have created this in downloads, so I'm going in downloads. Here I'm going to select this JDK folder, then I'm going to click on OK. After that this will extract. Now this will show you this thing. Then we have our software installed. So this is it from my side, and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and share this video. If your friends are willing to learn something new, please help them, and catch you later. Bye.